Well, the full economic impact of the coronavirus is still unclear, and many places are seeing fluctuations in business. Our George Reed Godfrey has a look tonight at the trucking industry and how the pandemic is helping and hurting business.
Several industries in South Carolina are taking a big hit with the coronavirus crisis, including tourism and restaurants. However, the trucking industry in some sectors has actually seen business double. With federal and state guidelines in place as a result of the coronavirus crisis, many industries in the country have been preparing their response. Like the trucking industry, for example, which has been working with state and federal agencies since the announcement of the first cases.
What they expect of the freight community, and then what kind of restrictions are they considering imposing.
Certain business sectors like grocery stores and gas stations are seeing a boom right now. Others are seeing drastic decreases in business. The same trend is reflected in the trucking industry.
Some sectors of the transportation community are doing very well. The supply chain is very strained right now. Other sectors, if they're deemed non-essential or they have workforce problems, are suffering, and the next few weeks could be make or break for them.
And even though some trucking fleets are seeing an increase in workload, like every other business in the state, the future is still unclear.
In terms of what's going to happen next, there is no way to forecast this because this is such an unusual situation.
The South Carolina Trucking Association notes that since less people have been on the roads, the trucking industry has been able to be more efficient. In Columbia, George Reed Godfrey, 7 News.
The association says states and municipalities should keep in mind that these drivers need rest areas and restrooms to be able to make these much-needed deliveries.